Equip Used is a name we use for our remarketing site. We are a niche specialty leasing company. We started out in the screen printing equipment initially. Within a couple of years, we branched into the embroidery industry because both of those types of equipment are in the imprinted sportswear area. We do also finance trucks such as tow trucks, pumper trucks, boom trucks, work trucks. The reason we have equipment is because as a leasing company, some of our deals come to the end of the lease and a customer will decide not to exercise their purchase option, so we end up getting that equipment back. Now, once we know we have that equipment coming back, we have our own recovery specialists that'll go out and pick up the machine so that we make sure that machine doesn't get damaged somewhere along the way. Once it gets back to our warehouse, we're going to go through that machine from a technical standpoint. We even bring in technicians from the various manufacturers. Once we're finished, we take pictures and videos and we post that on our website. EquipUsed.com, I believe, is different because we're willing to actually provide financing on our equipment, and considering that it's used equipment, if we didn't want to stand behind that equipment, we certainly wouldn't want to provide financing on it because we're going to have to be with our customer for a long time because they're going to be paying us, and if that machine doesn't work, they're not in business and they can't make their payment.
We have a network of technicians throughout the country. They're very knowledgeable on the machines, whether you're buying a new machine or one of our used machines. Generally, it's a good idea to have them come out and do the installation of the machine. We've been in the business a long time, so we've worked with most of the technicians out there.
We take pride in what we do. When a machine is sold to a customer, we make sure that the machine is in good working condition. We try to bring it back to how the factory would sell it. First, we evaluate what's wrong with the machine. We actually test the machine before we do any kind of cleaning so we can assess on the things that needs to be replaced or things that needs to be done. We package up the machine, we crate it professionally, we put all the parts in one box and we'll load it up, and then the machine is on its way to the customer.
Depending on the age of the truck, we will evaluate the truck to make sure that it's safe and roadworthy, or if it's not, make sure that we fully disclose any deficiencies that we're aware of in the remarketing process. If it's a newer truck or has a component that would be under warranty, such as a new engine or transmission or new components, we make sure that that is done by a factory trained technician and then offer that warranty forward to the person that would be purchasing or leasing that equipment.
If you're interested in a piece of equipment on our website, there's a 1-800 number that'll connect you immediately to a salesman. If you don't see what you like, there's a reserve a machine function on our website where you can actually put the model type, the year, and the price range that you're looking for, and we'll keep your name so that the next time that one of those machines shows up, you'll be the first one that we call.